Okay, so ang video na to is about finding the percentage. So itong tensions triangle na to, parang ganito siya. P stands for the percentage, tapos base and rate. So pag nawala si percentage, takpan natin. So to find the percentage, ang natira ay base at saka rate. So that is percentage is equal to base times rate. So this is times, ito divide. Okay? Huwag nyo kalimutan itong triangle na to. So ang percentage, ito yung part of the whole. So ang base, ito yung kabuuan, ito yung pinagmula ng percentage. Ang rate, laging may percent sign yan, or ay percent. So hindi ibig sabihin na percentage ay yan yung percent. Hindi po laging nagkakamali ang mga bata doon. So ang rate, yan yung may percent. Okay. So for example, finding the percentage, ito. So meron ka kunwaring 30% of 180. So itong 30%, alam natin na this is the rate. Tama? This is the base. So we're looking for the percentage. Ano daw yung 30% ng 180? So ibig sabihin, this is the base, so we're looking for the percentage. So ano yung ulit yung formula? We have the percentage is equal to base times rate. So pagtabihin na lang natin. So percentage, base times rate. What is 30% of 180? Okay. So percentage is equal to base times rate. So what is the base again? We have 180 times 30%. Pero, bago ka mag-solve, ang percent, hindi mo pwedeng i-multiply. You have to rename this one or change this one into decimal numbers by, ito na lang, simplihan na lang natin, 30%, nandito yung decimal point yan lagi, then always move the decimal point going to the left. Laging dalawa lang twice lang, 2 times lang po hindi pwedeng 3 times, hindi pwedeng once lang. Twice or 2 times. 1, 2. So therefore, magiging 0.30 times 180. Okay, so yan ang pagta-times. Hindi mo pwedeng i-times agad na 30. So, 18 times 3, we have 54. Hold natin yung 0 kanina, 2 0. Tapos ilang decimal numbers? 2, 1, 2. So therefore 54 ang sagot. So ang sagot dito, 30% of 180 is 54. So another example. During the faculty outing, 30% of the teachers came by car. How many teachers came by car? So, during the faculty outing daw, 30% of the teachers came by car. So, how many teachers came by car? So, what do you think is missing? So, we have 30. 30 is the rate. So, ang kabuuan ng teachers, lahatan ng teachers ay 50. So, that is the base. Alamin natin kung ilan yung gumamit ng kotse. So, percentage ang hinahanap. Okay. So, percentage is equal to base times rate. So the base is 50 times 0.30. Na-move na natin yung 30%. Okay. So hold the zeros. 3 times 5, 15. Tapos decimal point 0, 0. So therefore, merong 15 na teachers came by car. So, paano pag ang tanong doesn't came by car? Anong gagawin dyan? So, pwedeng ganito, kunin mo yung 30%, i-minus mo na lang doon sa 50 na teachers.